Hello, everyone. My name is Ashton Albanesius, and I am here to talk to you about acupuncture. Here are some pictures showing acupuncture on the ear and on the back. These images were retrieved from the National Center for Complementary Integrative Health. What is acupuncture? The term acupuncture describes a family of procedures involving the stimulation of points on the body using a variety of techniques. It can involve the skin receiving needles inserted by man or by electrical stimulation. It is a traditional Chinese medicine. Historical development of acupuncture. Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medicine, like I said in the slide before. It originated in ancient China and has evolved over thousands of years. Traditional Chinese practitioners use acupuncture to prevent or treat health problems such as pain. Acupuncture is still used in China today. A research study on traditional Chinese medicine revealed in a 2012 analysis that combined data on individual participants in 29 studies of acupuncture for pain, patients who receive acupuncture for back or neck pain, osteoarthritis, or chronic headache had better pain relief than those who did not receive acupuncture. So this is basically saying instead of using, pain medication like Tylenol, Motrin, or whatever, they chose to use acupuncture and they got relief from using acupuncture. Acupuncture can be used for many things. It can be used for chronic pain in many different areas of the body, such as the lower back, the knees, and the neck. It can also provide relief for chronic headaches, menopausal symptoms, post-traumatic stress disorder, and anxiety. For many people who do not like to use modern medicine, acupuncture is a great way to replace that. Obviously, if it's approved by your primary care physician, it can replace, using pain medications or others such as that. Contraindications of acupuncture. You do not use acupuncture to replace seeing your primary care physician. Acupuncture is not a replacement of a doctor's visit. Do not use acupuncture if you are pregnant, if you are a child. Now, that's not saying that children can't use acupuncture, but they need to have supervision of their parents' approval, their pediatrician's approval. Do not use acupuncture if you have an open wound or if you have an infection. You should always consult with your primary care physician before undergoing acupuncture. Adverse effects of acupuncture. Now, when the needles are used during acupuncture, they need to be sterile. Non-sterile needles and improper delivery of treatments can lead to complications of infection. If someone who is undergoing acupuncture and the needle is inserted in a place it should not be inserted, it can lead to complications. It could also lead to punctured organs, clogged lungs, injury to the central nervous system, and burns. Health teaching regarding acupuncture. Always consult with your primary care physician first. Check the acupuncturists that you will be going to, check their credentials, their experience, their training, education, and their reputation. Acupuncture is a big thing to undergo, so you obviously need to be, your acupuncturist needs to know what they're doing. Ask about the estimated number of treatments and the cost beforehand. Nursing research. A research study was done to see if acupuncture could help in vitro fertilization and leading a woman to pregnancy. According to the National Center for Complementary Integrative Health, an analysis of research conducted on acupuncture as an adjuvant treatment to in vitro fertilization found that overall acupuncture did not increase pregnancy rates. However, acupuncture did seem to increase pregnancy success rates at IVF clinics with baseline pregnancy rates that were lower than 32%. 16 clinical studies consisting of 4,038 participants were used. The reviewers found no statistically significant improvement in the rates of clinical pregnancies, ongoing pregnancies, or live births between women receiving actual acupuncture and the control groups. So this is basically saying that acupuncture was not found successful as a booster for IVF. However, it did seem to increase pregnancy success rates at IVF clinics. Here are my references. All of my references are from the National Center of the Complementary of Integrative Health. I hope you enjoyed my PowerPoint, and I hope you learned much more about acupuncture, and maybe one day you'll undergo acupuncture. Thank you for listening.